Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix allow access to camera missing on your iPhone and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about if you're having the trouble with a particular app. For example, if you're having the trouble with Snapchat over here while you're using the Snapchat, all you have to do is you just need to delete the Snapchat and you have to reinstall it back. This is working for many users, so you can go over here and delete the Snapchat from here. Just delete the Snapchat. And once the Snapchat is already deleted, you have to reinstall it back. And that is going to fix the issue in the first case. If that is not working, next one is all about we have to reset all settings on your iPhone. So just go over here in the settings. Now from here, you have to go over here at the top or scroll down or navigate to the Gentry. Now from here, you have to scroll down. And over here, you can see there is an option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now from here, go to Reset. Now over here, we have an option called Reset Old Settings. So you have to go for Reset Old Settings. Keep in mind, when you're doing this, you'll not be losing any kind of data. It will be like resetting your screen layout, and you'll be losing some of the Wi-Fi password if it's already connected, where you have to connect it back. The data will be there as it is, so you don't have to worry on that. After the screen set, the reset old setting is done, and if you're having the trouble with this one, still if you're having the trouble, you just need to do one more step. That is all about just go over here in the settings like this. Now from here, you have to scroll down and navigate to Screen Time. Now from here, you have to scroll down and navigate to Content and Privacy Restrictions. And you can see this is turn it on. All you have to do is you just need to turn this off, and now you have to check. So that's what you have to try, and most probably that's going to fix the issue. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.